Hello, good morning students. The most welcome PVC Computer online classes presented by the Sir. So, computer application for class 3rd, chapter number 2, a GUI operating system. This is a very interesting chapter. So, let me know what is in this chapter. I explain you. First of all, operating system. So, dear students, what is the operating system? So operating system is the interface between the user and hardware. Means with the help of operating system, you connect with the machine of computer. So it is manage all the activities and control all the work of the computer. So let's know the diagram of the operating system. So dear students, here the two type of operating system, CUI operating system and GUI. CUI means character user interface and GUI means graphical user interface. So one by one we will discuss here. So first of all, already we know that the two type of operating system. So GUI, graphical user interface. So we can see all the images or work, or we can use mouse or keyboard. So the students here use the mouse and keyboards, and we can see all the images also, just like which type of image: desktop image, icon, taskbar, start button, clock, and so on. So everything we can see. After that, CUI, character user interface. So we can type all the instructions with the help of the commands given by the computer. So here I use the keyboard, and what here we use keyboard and mouse both, but cannot see any image. This is important point. We can see every image here, but here you cannot see any image, right? Okay. So example like DOS, this operating system, Linux, iOS, and so on. So this is an example of CUI. After that, the desktop in the Windows 7. So what is the desktop? So dear student, the first screen of the monitor, that is, we can see all the icons, taskbar, all the buttons. So that is the desktop. Desktop is the first screen of the monitor, right? Icon. What is the icon? The small picture on the desktop you see, that is the icon. So I can have all the information. Okay. So which type of icon, like see, file, folder, and software. So that is the icon name. Taskbar. So the longest bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. So this is the longest bar on the bottom side, right now. So that is the taskbar. After that, start button. So dear students, start button is located just like we know that the bottom left corner on the taskbar. The start menu show the various software and programs. So all the software and program where you seen in the start button. After that, desktop background. So desktop background means the background image of the desktop. So just like we can say the second name is a wallpaper. So in mobile also you can change the desktop. It means the background. So as it is, we can change the background of the desktop. After that, my computer. So this means my computer is a location where all the content of the computer are stored, just like a start button. So as it is the my computer, so all the content we can see where in my computer. So just like all hard drive, save file, and folder, everything we can see here in my computer. Recycle bin. Recycle bin just like a dustbin. You delete anything, any file. So where is gone? This is stored in the recycle bin. So recycle bin is a location where all the deleted file and folders are presented. Okay, it is the dustbin of the computer. So second name is the dustbin of the computer. What is the dustbin of the computer? So recycle bin is the dustbin of the computer, right? So with the help of diagram, we can see desktop, the first screen, icon, the small picture, start button in the bottom side, and taskbar, the bottom longest bar is called the taskbar. After that, the basic operation. So what will we do in the desktop? So basic operation of the desktop. So we can select, delete, deselect icons. So you can open, move, rearrange, sort them. We can also change the desktop background and screensaver. So that is operation we can perform on a window. So just like a selecting and deselecting an icon. Select means click, then you select, leave it the mouse, then deselect. So select an icon, click. So one click, then select. The icon will be get highlighted, okay, after selecting. And to deselect an icon, click anywhere outside. So then after that, deselect icon. Moving icon, okay, how to move. So move means one position to another position, how to move. So move icon from one place to another new place like file and folder. So we can do, right? After that, arranging desktop icons. So arranging desktop icons, you have a lot of icons. So how to arrange? So arrange icon by the name, type, date, size. So how to arrange? Right click on the blank area on the desktop and then click arrange icon. You can select, right? Sorting desktop icon. Sorting means that like arrange like name wise, like size wise, like date types and data types. So sorting means the desktop icon be order wise, right? So and so on. Opening an icon. So how to open? So double click on the icon. So this will be open the file, folder or software that the icon store, right? Changing desktop background. So just like a wallpaper change the desktop background, as it is, we can change the background of the computer. After that, you can see now. So this is an image of the desktop. So you can click right click and view. So a large icon, middle icon, auto arrange icon, so desktop icon and sorting also. So sorting also second point. So here we can name wise, size wise, date wise. So we can sort the icon of the desktop, right? Screensaver. So screensaver just like you are doing work on the computer, but you are not doing sometimes. So itself is some moving image. Okay. So screensaver is a computer program that is a blank screen or file on folder with moving image or pattern when the computer has been idle for a long time. Okay, it means a long time you are not doing work like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. So itself is screensaver is moving on screen, right? Normal mode and safe mode. These are the most important questions. What is the difference normal mode and safe mode? So what is the safe mode? The window will be check the computer for error before loading the file. So it means you want to load anything on the computer. So first of all, check the error before loading. So that is the safe mode. Normal mode, the window will be started loaded normally without checking the error. Okay, error means the mistakes. Okay, so without checking and here with checking. So that is the safe mode, that is the normal mode. After that, power mode of the computer. So dear student, the power mode of the computer provide the different method to turn off the computer. So how to turn off the computer? So here are three types of power modes. Number one, shut down, restart. After that, sleeping mode. Shut down means properly shut down. Restart means you want to again reopen. Sleep means sometime you are not doing work for 1 hour, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So you give the time periods. Okay. How to switch off the computer? Switch on the computer. So first of all, I'm telling the how to switch on the computer. First of all, supply the power button. Click on supply power button. Click UPS. After that, CPU and switch on the monitor. So that is the steps. How to shut down the computer? Click on start button. Click on shut down button. Click on monitor. After that, switch off UPS and last, switch off the power supply button. So that is the right steps. So with the help of diagram, we can see here. So in the corner side, shut down button, and here you select now which type you want to shut down, then you follow the instructions, right? Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.